Hello everyone, I'm making this video for those who are struggling with running their first code in PHP. So I'll follow all these steps one by one. So first thing, you need to download the Xampp. So please search download Xampp on Google. So click on the first link and you can download any of this file by clicking here. I have already downloaded this. So double click on the exe file. Okay, next. Then it will install. As you can see, the Xampp has been already installed. So let's tick mark this. Like, do you want to start the control panel now? Yes. It will open the control panel. Then you need to click on the start beside the Apache. You can see this is running now. Let's see the next step. Okay, then you need to go to the localdisk C, Xampp and htdocs. So I am already in localdisk C. You can see there's a folder named Xampp, and next you need to find htdocs. Yes, here is htdocs, and you need to create a folder for your codes to store. So let's open a new folder. My PHP codes. This is the folder. Now you need to open the Visual Studio Code. You can see my next step. You need to open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open it and find out the folder you have just created. So the folder is in the drive C, and then there Xampp, and then htdoc. Okay, and here is the folder I have just created. Folder. So I am on my folder. The next step, you need to click on this. Yes, I trust the authors. Then you can see you need to create a file named index.php to write your code. Let's okay. So here you are. You can write your code here. So I have already write something here. Let's copy it. So this is the first code I have written. Like echo is for print. You can learn all those PHP tags, and this is the starting and ending tag, I think. So this is not saved yet. I need to save this. The next step, now you need to go to this link. Like you need to write localhost your folder name. So what was my folder name? My folder name was my PHP codes, and then finally the file name you have just created. And here you can see the code has run. Hello, this is PHP. My badge is here. That's how you can run your first PHP code in the browser. But this, keep remember, you need to go to this like localhost your folder name and index, which I have right here. That's all. Hope this will help you.